Hi guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Create for Change video series. In the last video, I showed you guys how to make your own food coloring from scratch. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the things you can do with that food coloring. And, drum roll, it's bath bombs or Bath Fizzies. I love them, so I hope you guys really enjoy this video. So the things we'll need is some flavored powder, flour, baking soda, some food coloring, baby oil, a bowl for your liquids, and a bowl for your solids and powders, and then a teaspoon. So first we're going to add 2 teaspoons of the flavored powder into our bowl. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of flour. And then we're going to add 4 teaspoons of the baking soda into the same bowl where we put the rest of the powders. Next, we're going to put 4 teaspoons of baby oil into our other bowl. I used a mug. And then you're going to take 3 to 6 drops of the food coloring. You're going to then slowly pour in your liquids into your solids and then mix so that your substance kind of comes out like that. And then you're going to take your mixture and you're going to create little balls. So your end product might actually come out looking a little like this, like small bath bombs. Okay guys, so that was the finished product. You want to make sure to wait 24 to 48 hours before actually using the bath bomb or bath fuzzy. Mine came out orange because I used orange food coloring, but if you use blue, green, purple food coloring, then it should come out that same color. I really hope you guys had fun and enjoyed it. I know I did, so until next time.